Kadon Bosco Media Network Television Shillong, kawei niki shlem pathai Khubor ke Jylla, menhakalai pawei tarik kyllalyngkot kala I Award yu Mario Pascal Pathaw, ya ka Dbmntv Youth Icon Award arhajar arpusau. Halor ke jingnohsyniang jong ya ka imlang sahlang, lyngba ke jingtbit jong ha ka Architectur, jingdro, bat kiwei kikam, kibalong ke nuksa, ya kiwei ki khynnah Samla. Kadon Bosco Media Network Television, kabasa meki Khubor jongka lyngba ko utliti nak bynta ki Smart TV, YouTube bat Lelangki Cable Network channel arspa nyopo khandai, manla snem ka itho eki Samla ki balong ki nuksa eki weipat ki para Samla, lyngba ka sab bakidon bat ka jingtre shitom jongki ka ai ka khusnam bakenthop ka memeto ka certificate bat ka song pisa. La ban penken ma wiki nong pet jong ka Dbmntv bahaus nam arhajar arpuar ya ketika khusnam layo da ikong Wanri Pyngrope bahaus nam arhajar arpulai layo da I Dapalei Stacy Warjri.
Don Bosco Media Network TV is the communication department of the station in Shillong. Our TV channel is available on OTT for smart TVs, YouTube and Lelangki Cable Channel 279. We recognize a youth each year who becomes an icon for others through their activities. And this year's recipient is Mario P. Pathaw, a designer, architect, and an artist.
In the vibrant hills of Meghalaya, India, Mario Pathaw is redefining design. A multidisciplinary designer and researcher, Mario blends indigenous culture with contemporary design, using his skills to tell stories that connect the past with the future. Mario's journey began with a bachelor's in architecture from lovely professional university and continued with a master's in design from IIT Bombay. Today, he is pursuing a PhD at IIT Guwahati, exploring how traditional Khasi symbols can merge with modern design in meaningful ways. His career spans architecture, UI, UX design, and education. Mario has worked with top firms like Khubor Kaji and Associates and Tata Consultancy Services, but his true passion lies in storytelling through design. He's also shared his expertise as a guest lecturer at Northeastern Hill University. Mario's creative collaborations are just as diverse. From illustrating books on sustainable farming to creating the Thinrai graphic novel celebrating Khasi culture, his projects are a reflection of his commitment to preserving heritage while pushing design boundaries. He's presented papers at international conferences exploring the intersection of indigenous iconography and design. At events like the Winter Tales Festival, Mario discusses the balance between tradition and modernity, inspiring others to think deeply about culture in design. His contributions have been widely recognized with awards like the Meghalaya State Emblem Award in 2022, the Emerging Artist Award in 2021, and the Young Visual Artist Award in 2020, acknowledging his impact on visual arts and design. Mario's work extends across sectors. He designed logos for Assam police battalions and created a mural with ST plus Art India Foundation. His art reflects his passion for storytelling, culture, and community. Today, Mario Pathaw continues to shape the future of design, one that honors the richness of indigenous culture while embracing the innovations of tomorrow. His work is a testament to the power of design to connect us all across time and place. Through every design, Mario Pathaw crafts a story, one that speaks of heritage, modernity, and the future of creativity. This has been the journey of Mario Pathaw, designer, educator, and cultural storyteller. And Don Bosco Media Network is proud to present you this Dbmntv Youth Icon Award 2024.
And now, may I invite our chief guest, Congressita Mary Gurba, Kong Patri Shamukim, and Further Vice Provincial to join us on stage to present the award. And the award consists of a citation, memento, and a cash prize of rupees 35,000. Let us give Mario a huge round of applause. Once again, congratulations, Mario P. Pathaw. And we would also like to thank our chief guests, Kong Rosita Mary Korba, Kong Patricia Mukim, Father Vice Provincial, for doing the honor.